Traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about what a fascinating move Bank Nifty can do on the 25th of February 2021 during the expiry. So we are also going to talk about how we made the 73K today and also about what is going to happen tomorrow. So remember, the first and the most important thing in your technical analysis, if something comes to your setup, go for it. Okay, if you guys be remembering, I was on the PE side all along, but if my technical setup says, buddy, you need to go ahead and buy a C, then I'm going to buy a C because I'm not going to be caring more about the emotions. So you have to be emotionless in the market and see what it did. In the morning of the first session, when the trading was halted, we were at 30,000 in profits. We had closed that particular position at that. You can go to the Telegram group that is listed below here, which is free, where I post the market views and everything so that you can see how we progress for the day. And remember, this 46,000 extra that we made right now was only because this particular trend line, which was flying from the top, gave a confirmation as per price analysis, and it flew to the top. So this is the kind of movement you would need to capture. And before I get to what is going to happen in the index tomorrow, I want to tell you, if you want to make similar profits over here by doing live trading and live analysis, where no mentor is going to hold your hand even if the market closes. Now, I believe in giving 100% in what I do. So we here at RLTR Group follow the same passion. So with the same passion, we have come here to do these live trades and take this forward. So if you want to make similar profits, go to www.rltrgroup.com. Join our live trading session tomorrow and start making the similar profits that we made for the day. So enough of what has happened today. We've done what we've done. We do it every day. But the next question is, what's going to happen tomorrow? Remember, guys, this is a very key level for me tomorrow. Tomorrow, Bank Nifty, if is crossing 36,650, I'm going to be ultra bullish on this particular index. So remember this level, 36,650 is the level that it needs to cross, and we can see a spectacular show of event over here, somewhere around 300 points, which are going to be easily be captured over here straight away. Remember, this 300 points will be given. So tomorrow, if index even before 9:30 crosses this particular level and sustains, I'm going to quickly initiate a buy on 36,700 call on the market price and look for it for the target of 37,000. And remember, if tomorrow the market remains volatile and it starts consolidating right here on the top and then tries to break this round number, then we are going to look at another target for the day. That would be somewhere around 37,000 is what it is going to cross. So it is going to sustain itself. The momentum here is pretty strong. Okay, this was a short covering or a long build-up. Nobody knows, but we are going to follow the price action that is leveled. So over here, I'm going to be very honest and convenient with my targets over here when the index crosses 36,673. Please make a note of it, and for a target of 36,965. So this is my analysis for tomorrow, and please log in to our Telegram channel and see how we are progressing. And if you want to join the live trading session and make similar profits, please go to www.rltrgroup.com and grab your subscription now. So thank you so much for your time, guys. I wish you have a wonderful day with your loved ones. We'll see you once again with another fascinating video tomorrow. Take care. Jai Hind. Bye-bye for now.